If you think that self care means staying in bed all day, ghosting your friends, and calling it mental health time, I feel for you because I used to do the same thing. But here's the hard truth: some of what we call self care is actually just self sabotage, and it's wrapped in a cozy blanket and a Netflix binge. Let's talk about three things that we think are self care, but they're actually ruining our mental health, and what we should do instead. Number one, treating procrastination like rest. Have you ever sat down to take a break and suddenly it's 3 hours later and you're still scrolling? Yeah, that's not self care. That's procrastination in cozy socks. I used to tell myself that I need to rest before I start this task. Or I would do something silly like check the time and wait until it landed on an even number so I could start things that I need to get done. It turns out I was just avoiding it. The solution is to try a 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. These small wins add up over time. Number two, buying stuff instead of dealing with stress. Retail therapy should come with a warning label that says, may cause temporary joy followed by financial anxiety and zero personal growth. I once bought a personal planner at the start of the year thinking that it would make me productive. We're in April and it still sits there judging me unused. The solution to this is to make a joy list, non material things that actually make you happy, like music, taking a walk, exercise, or calling a friend. Number three, isolating yourself instead of recharging. There is a fine line between I need alone time and I'm ghosting everyone and calling it healing. Self care isn't shutting people out, it's knowing when to ask for support. If you're unsure whether you're isolating or recharging, check in with yourself. Here's the question to ask: will this make future me better or worse? Drop a comment. What's a fake self care habit that you've fallen for? If you want more videos on mental health, relationships, or navigating life without completely losing your mind, I've got more coming. Thank you.